In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again and this time tap on Privacy Controls. When you're ready, select Permission Manager and pick any feature you wanna manage. Let's start with Camera. When I click on it here, I can check out all of those sections. In case of Camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. When you're ready, click on one of your apps under one of those sections and click on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. In case of Camera and Chrome app, camera access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with first option, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome gained access to my device's camera while I'm using my browser. But what most people miss is that you can go back, pick any feature and find an app you wanna manage instead. So I will go into Calendar to manage my clock. Now, instead of tapping on any of those options, click on this tiny text at the bottom, see all permissions, and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!